Hi, I am Gitanjali. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is about how to convert old planters into new. So let's get started. First wash the pot so there will be no dust and let it dry. I am using white wall paint as a base coat. I am using a sponge to give a base. Once a base color dry, make wall putty paste. To make this paste, I mixed wall putty with water, some Fevicol and some amount of blue color. Mix it well with the help of some water. So our paste is ready. On this pot, I am going to create a scenery for which I already have a flower and butterfly which I made from wall putty. I will paste both these arts with the help of this wall putty paste. Now let it dry for some time. Now I am taking the another pot. Here I am using this design available in stencil. Now I will apply wall putty paste with the help of a spoon. Now remove the stencil carefully and repeat the process. Now I am going back to this pot for filling some colors. For this process I am using acrylic colors. So looking forward to the next planter. I already painted this pot last year, but I wanted to add a cute snowman on it. So I will paint a snowman here. If you want to see how I painted this pot, then you can follow the link of this video which I have given in the description. So here my planters are ready. Now I will do plantation in these planters. Flowers always make people better, happier and more powerful. They are sunshine, food and medicine for the soul. So what do you say? So my plantation is done. So now you can see my beautiful planters. And guys, if you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.